Hi, Kara Sheftel from BDS. I want to show you how to print from a web browser. It's really important not to have your web browser pick your print settings because they're very generic. If you're looking for the full functionality of your device, you actually have to scroll down and do the print using system dialog. That will allow you to access the preferences that are unique to that specific device. So now I'm actually in the Ricoh driver for my Ricoh device, and I will get all of the cool features that Ricoh offers and in the language that the printer likes. So important not to pick that generic thing if you want to do specific things. Now, one of the other questions I'm often asked is, how do I print a PDF on both sides of the paper? And that's very easy. All you need to do is make sure that you're selecting two-sided, which is what I have here. And you can decide if you're going to flip on the long edge or the short edge. And for this, I'm gonna do it on the long edge. I'm gonna hit OK, and I am going to get a Ricoh brochure printed on both sides of the paper so that we save some trees in the process. For all things print, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com, or you can like and follow this channel.